Hi, this is Chris from Core Fitness, and today we're going to be talking about mobility in our thoracic spine. Our thoracic spine is composed of the 12 vertebrae between our cervical and our lumbar spine, and they allow for rotation in both directions. When we get issues with our posture, our shoulders are forward, our head is forward, we tend to lose a lot of that mobility in our thoracic spine. I'm going to show you a couple exercises today that will help you to maintain or increase that mobility. First thing, I'm up against a wall. These are called wall angels. What you want to do is sit up against the wall nice and tall, trying to keep the back of the ribs on the wall and bring your arms up into a goalpost position. So you're taking the arms up as far as you can and bringing them back down. The goal here is to keep the back of your hands, wrists, and elbows on the wall. Try not to arch through that mid-back. So you want to draw your rib cage in and slide up and down the wall. This is a good exercise, again, to help with that thoracic mobility. It opens up through the shoulders, the chest. Another thing that you can do is doing a nice cat and cow stretch on all fours. So as you set yourself up, align the knees under the hips, the wrists under the shoulders. So when you're doing your cow position, take an inhale and just let that belly sink down. Start to slide the shoulder blades back and gently lifting up that sternum. So feel that movement through your spine. Inhaling here and then exhaling to round the spine. So mobilizing from head to tail, segment by segment. Inhaling and then exhaling to round. And using some foam roller exercises here, some mobility exercises to also help increase that thoracic mobility. You're coming onto the roller. The roller is just going to be underneath your shoulder blades. You're going to place your hands behind your head, keeping your knees bent. Interlace those fingers. You're going to lean back, take a nice inhale, hold here, open up those elbows, and hold for maybe 2 or 3 counts. Exhaling, come up, pressing the head into the hands and just guiding yourself up, wrapping those elbows back in. You're just trying to really open all the way up through the front of the chest and shoulders. It's just a really nice exercise to increase mobility. You can also come up onto the roller and roll the shoulder blades from the tip of the shoulder to the top and just feel that nice gentle back massage, shoulder massage here. Just trying to get a little bit more mobility by loosening up the fascia, that connective tissue that runs through our body. And when it's tight and bound up, we have a lack of ability to move as well. It's very important to do some myofascial release like this. And coming down from there, you can also use the foam roller for an upper thoracic stretch called an open book stretch. You're going to lay on your side. You have a little towel or something that you can put underneath your head to support. It's a good idea. That bottom arm is coming out in front of you. Your top leg is at a 90-degree pressing into the roller, and then your top arm is going to come out to be stacked on the bottom arm. You're going to start to reach back with a nice inhale, reaching that arm behind you, trying to keep your eyes focused on your arm as it comes behind and then comes back in. And we're rotating, moving from our rib cage. The reason we have that roller in place is that we want to press the top leg into the roller to stabilize our hip. It's just a nice opening, and I'll show you from the other side as well. And it's helpful to have that pillow or blanket or just something, a towel to support your head as you're doing this movement. You want to be able to keep your eyes following your hand as you're going into this stretch. Top leg is at 90 degrees. Bottom arm is going to come under. And again, you're going to rotate back, reach, look at your arm and hand, come back into that stretch as far as you can, and back over. Nice deep breath in, following this big stretch. And these are just a few ways that you can use some simple stretches or foam roller to help increase your upper thoracic mobility, improve your posture. This is Chris from Core Fitness. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Thanks for joining.